What is up everyone, welcome to another video. So basically, you know what time it is, Christmas is coming, and right now I'm gonna give you 5 gifts for sneakerheads for the Christmas. Alright, so if you're a real sneakerhead, you keep your shoes looking as fresh as possible. You wouldn't want some stinky ass dirty socks inside your fresh pair of shoes, now would you? Now that's why I feel like socks is a great and affordable gift for every sneakerhead that you know that they actually use. Some great socks for sneakers and hypebeasts include Stan socks, Nike Dry Fit socks, and ADIDAS Trifold logo socks. Each are really affordable and have great quality. So you can pick up the Nike and ADIDAS socks for about $30 for 3 pairs. The Stan socks, the premium stuff, so they'll set you back about $30 for 1 pair. Alright, you can't be a sneakerhead and have your triple white sneakers looking like triple black now, can you? Alright, so coming in at number 2, we have sneaker cleaner and sneaker protectant spray. So now there's different type of cleaners for you to choose. I myself use MARKK, and as I feel it's really premium and it smells damn good as well. I've used CREP protective spray as well for shoes before, and I feel like they did the job just fine. You have other pieces like the CREP utility, in the CREP utility, including quick cleaning wipes, the proper cleaning kit, some air fresheners for your shoes, and suede and nubuck eraser. Okay, now I'll leave a couple links down in the description if you want to check anything out. Alright guys, I know that some sneakers your sneaker friend buys are really expensive, ranging from the $200 and up range. There's still some hyped, trendy and affordable sneakers that you can buy them, and they'll be essential or even a stand-up piece in their collection. One example here are my Vans Authentic Deluxe in the black and cream block colorway that I got for crazy steal for only $30 at the direct factory outlet in Southwell. And these ones too, the Nike Roshi 2s, I got these for a steal, $50 at the same Nike outlet store. You can get Vans old schools, even hyped current shoes like the Puma Thunder Spectres and the Air Max and the Air M2Ks, the Technos. Now I feel like they're really trendy with the dad shoe movement, and they're really affordable as well, coming at around $150 to $135 if you get them on discount. Alright guys, coming in at number 4, we've got sneaker storage and shelving units. Now it'll make a great gift as it displays all your kicks in a great clutter-free and makes your room look way more organized. Alright, so sometimes people keep their shoes and they keep them in their boxes, and then like over time, once you stack up like 50 pairs of sneakers right on this little box down there, that's gonna get wrecked. So basically, and also if you have a ton of colorways in the same shoe, sometimes it can get hard to distinguish. Like these, bro, you can't even tell the difference unless you look at the front pictures. So now at least with sneaker storage, at least with sneaker storage shelves, you can actually display your shoes in a really great and aesthetically pleasing way, and it just makes your overall shoe look. Sneakers look way more presentable. I'll leave a couple of links down in the description if you want to check any of them out. I got these from Target, like $30 each. And they're holding about 30 pairs of my sneakers. And right over here for my exclusive like Jordans, I got these I think I got them from Target or Fantastic Furnitures as well. These were about $50, and they really display all your shoes in all its glory. So yeah, coming in at number 4, sneaker storage shelving units. Alright, sometimes the laces from an original shoe can get dirty, messed up, and make the overall shoe look beaten and completely wreck the shoe. So you can get replacement laces to make the shoe look way more fresh. You can grab some great alternatives from CREP, FOOTLOCKER, or any sneaker stores in general. A pair of good laces will cost you around $10. So right over here, like the original flat top laces, they just got wrecked when I scrubbed trying to get dirt out of them. So I got some replacement Jordan brand laces, and as you can see, I think I really prefer these over the original ones, as you can display the netting a bit more clear and better. So there you go, coming at number 5, we got laces. Alright everybody, thank you for checking out this video. I'll try and leave as much links in the description as I can. Everybody have a safe and enjoyable Christmas with your families. Make sure you take care and focus on them. Good luck with buying your gifts. Please leave comments telling me what videos you want me to make in the future. Please like, subscribe. Peace.